Are you tired of spending a fortune on skincare products that just don't seem to work for you? Do you dream of having healthy, radiant skin without any harmful ingredients? Are you confused about the multitude of skincare recipes found online? Or are you looking to start your very own skincare business but don't know where to start? In this course, I will teach you how to harness the power of nature to create effective and personalized skincare solutions that address your unique needs or the needs of your customers and clients. This course is a comprehensive guide to professional skincare formulating. By the end of this course, you will understand the different skin types. You'll learn how to make emulsions, extractions, and infusions. You will also learn sanitization, preservation, and stability testing. You will learn how to make cleansers, toners, serums, moisturizers, exfoliants and masks, body butters and scrubs, using only natural and nourishing ingredients. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to take control of their own skincare routine or wants to start their very own skincare line. Whether you're a beginner DIY enthusiast or an already experienced herbalist or formulator. No prior experience is necessary. We will start from the very basics and gradually build on your expertise. Join this course if you're excited about creating beautiful and natural skincare products free from synthetic fillers, harmful ingredients, and huge markups. I'm Nicolina, and I am a professional formulator and esthetician, and I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you. Join this course and unlock the secrets to natural skincare success.